Welcome to the Wheel Installation Guide. In addition to the bicycle manufacturer's specifications, please observe the following points. Grease the axle plate and the quick release or through axle using gear grease. Insert the quick release into the wheel beforehand. For a through axle, this step is carried out later. Position the rear wheel and place the chain or belt onto the sprocket or belt pulley. Guide the rear wheel into the dropout. Make sure the brake disc is inserted between the brake pads and that the fork of the axle plate engages with the pin of the torque support on the frame. Secure the quick release or through axle according to the manufacturer's specifications. Do not exceed a torque of 16 Newton meters. Ensure that the rubber seals in the axle plate and in the adapter are not damaged. Connect the actuator plug connector to the e-bike. The actuator cable must not be kinked against the brake disc or the frame. Finally, check that the rear wheel rotates freely.